Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about the topic of all about Magento 2 modes. Magento 2 modes are essential environments to develop and deploy a Magento 2 store. You can switch between three modes: default, developer and production. Each mode is designed to enhance performance for specific tasks. This tutorial will explore Magento 2 modes, their purpose and how to switch between them. After installation, Magento 2 is in a default mode. It is aimed at who are unaware of the possibility of changing the Magento 2 mode. Besides, it is between the developer and production state. So let's see what exactly are Magento modules and how they differ. Earlier, Magento 1 was operated with a single mode for development as well as production. However, the Magento 2 came with these three modes, making our life simpler and better. Learn the essential of Magento 3 core modes: default, developer and production. Discover how to switch between these modes for optimized site performance seamlessly. Understand why each mode is crucial for debugging, customization and live operation tasks. Get step-by-step guidance on how to change mode using command line with commands. What are modes in Magento 2? Default, developer, production. Let's go through each of them in detail. First one is default mode. As the name suggests, the default mode is when no other mode is specified. In the default mode, you can deploy the Magento application on a single server without any changes in the settings. When you first launch a Magento 2 site, it automatically start in the default mode. This mode is combination of developer and production mode. Catches static files. The user never see errors. Errors are logged to the file report on the server. Static view files are first materialized and then cached. Hence, this mode is not ideal for the production environment. Symlinks to the static view files are published to the public static. And the next one is developer mode. It is specifically designed for developers. It handles all development tasks by automatically compiling code and providing advanced logging and debugging features while slower on the front end and Magento admin. It's great for customizing or extending Magento to default features. Static view files are written to the Magento pub static directory every time. They are called and not are cached. Uncatched exception and errors are displayed in the browser. System logging is an verbose. Automatically compiles the code. Exceptions are displayed in the error handler instead of being logged, making it easier to identify and troubleshoot error directly in the browser. If an event subscriber cannot be invoked, an exception is thrown, leading to faster debugging of extension conflicts. That's all. And next one is production mode. The live and operational Magento 2 sites are in production mode. This mode ensures that the website is optimized performance, stability and security. It allows for efficient handling of customer requests, smooth transaction processing and reliable delivery of content. For the best customer experience, switch to store to the production environment. The production mode utilizes full page caching and a complete pub folder for seamless and efficient store functioning. Debugging in production is challenging because errors are logged in the file system and not displayed to the user. Additionally, merged CSS and JavaScript do not function in this mode. The production mode is the most secure for security. It does not create a symlink for the public static folder. Catches all view files. Does not change image size when generating pages. Store all errors in the log file. Allows integrating JavaScript into bundle. Works fast. How to change your Magento 2 sites mode. Okay. Go to the terminal. set Magento to developer mode. You need to run the command below bin slash Magento deploy colon mode colon set space developer. Okay, click enter. Enable developer mode. Okay, how to check which Magento 2 mode is used in your store? You need to run the following command: bin slash Magento deploy colon mode colon show. Okay, enter. Okay, current application mode is developer mode. And okay, next set Magento to production mode. You can enable production mode by running the below command: bin slash Magento space deploy colon mode colon set production. Okay, enter. Yeah, enabling the maintenance mode. Starting compilation. Okay, generated code and dependency injection configuration is successfully. Compilation complete. Starting deployment of static content. Yeah, enable the production mode. How to check which Magento 2 mode is used in your store? Okay, bin slash Magento deploy colon mode colon show. Okay, enter. Yeah, current application mode is production mode. Okay, guys. Hopefully, the idea of Magento 2 modes is clear with this video tutorial. Okay, all. Thanks for watching.